What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Principal Weems from Wednesday. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, just want to work our way down towards the bottom of the eye and then bring that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top of that circle, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. Just bring this in and then back out. Now we want to draw two small circles for the pupils in the center of the eye, but we're going to tuck this in behind that highlight. So start from the bottom, I'm going to pull this in, and then tuck this out in behind. And do the same thing on the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the pupils. Now you want to give our character some thick eyelashes. From the top of the left eye, let's step in. Just going to taper this so it gets wider as you come down and out. And then we'll just curl that up towards the end. Let's pull this down and then in towards the side of the eye. Now I want to do the same thing on the right. Going up, bring that down, curl that up on the end, come down and then in towards the side. And we'll fill each of those lashes in black. Let's move to the center and draw in the nose. We're going to start over on the left, curve the nose, coming down, and we'll bend that up. Now step up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Now from the tip of the nose, let's step down and draw in the mouth. We'll start on the left, bend this up, and then down. Let's move back to the center of the mouth, step up and draw the lip, going up and then down towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and then down towards the right. Now from the corners of the mouth, let's draw the lower lip. Come down and then up. Now we're going to move back up and draw in the eyebrows. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left, bend this up and then out. Let's line this up on the right. Do the same thing. Now on the inside, we're just going to curl in the brow, coming in and then up on both sides. Let's thicken up the eyebrows. Starting from the end, just going to taper this so it gets thicker as we come in towards the brow. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve the head, coming down, come in underneath the mouth. Go across, I'll bend that up on the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the edge of the hair. Come in, go across the eyelash, go up, and then bend that in. Now on the inside, let's draw the hairline. We go up in the middle, round out the head, and then bring that all the way down towards the right. Now we're going to draw the outside of the hair. Let's start on the left side of the head. We're going to bend this up, round out the head, and then just pull that down on the left side to right about there. And we'll go back to the side of the head. Just going to curl this around, going out, up, and then we'll just tuck that in towards the side. Let's add some texture along the inside of the hairline. Starting on the left, bend this up, and then across. Step in, draw another line going across and then down. Now we're going to work our way around the right side of the hair. Starting on the top, bend this around, and then in, step back up, go around, just pull that in towards the side of the head. Now I want to tuck the ears along the side of the head. Let's start on the left, come down, and then bend that in. Let's go up towards the right side, curve the ear going around, then back in. Now let's add some earrings. Draw a circle on the bottom earlobe on both sides. Now let's move down and draw the inside edge of the coat. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left side and bend this down and then out towards the left. Go back up to the top, move over towards the right, move down, and then out towards the same height. Let's move back up and draw the top half of the collar. Starting up here, bend this down, and then up. Let's line this up on the right. Coming down, and then up. And we'll bend the collar, coming in and up behind the head. Now draw the bottom half of the collar. Starting back on the inside, angle this down and out. And we'll angle this down and in towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the coat. I'm going to go out and then up towards the side. And then from the outside, bend the coat, coming in, and just pull that up just underneath the collar. Now from the inside corner of the coat, we're going to step up and draw a curve to the bottom edge of the dress. Now I'm going to move all the way back up to the top and add a necklace. From the top, curve this down and then up. Step down, we just want to trace that out on the bottom. And then in the center, draw a small circle. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel, go over towards the right, and draw that same length line. And then from the heels, we're going to curve the bottom of the foot, going down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot, we're going to curve this up. We're going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, stop right about there, angle up and in. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the foot, draw a straight line going up underneath the coat. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet, so we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to move back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start on the left side, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing, going down towards the same height. Now from the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We start from the bottom of the thumb, curve the finger coming down and up around that bracket. And come down towards the side, go out and then up with the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go out, round out the arm, and pull that up underneath the collar. Let's go to the top of the thumb and separate the cuff with the curve going up and then out. And then we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Principal Weems from Wednesday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.